up? This is Vandita and welcome back to my channel. So today it's yet another travel vlog, and this time I am headed off to Yercaud, which is in Tamil Nadu. Basically it's pretty close to Bangalore, so it's like a weekend getaway spot, considering there's not a lot of things to actually see there. So yeah, today it's gonna be today for the next 3 days it's gonna be a trip with my friends, and I'm pretty excited for this, so let's go.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all.
So guys, we decided to take a break and we're sitting in the middle of the road. At least I am sitting in the middle of the road. Oh my god.
I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Salem, we finally made it to Salem. I think we're around 20-25 kilometers from Yercaud, and probably we're going to reach in like 1 hour. So the estimated time according to the maps is around 6:22. So it's pretty hot here. I'm just wondering how it's going to be there, because I've packed all like sweatery clothes. So I'm going to go there and like check it
Through the
out.
wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the highways, and on we'll go.
One thing that I love about being in the mountains is the smell of water on soil and the plants. I don't know how to explain it. I know it's very funny.
Guys, subscribe to my channel.
Hey, wait, another vlog, Papa.
But that's how it is. It actually is. It smells beautiful, and it's a very different feeling when you actually smell that and you actually feel like you're on a vacation. I mean, people should accept that, okay? Like, people, whoever agree with me, please like this video and do not subscribe to Rider 350.
Guys, if you want good content, search for Rider 350 vlogs and go subscribe to that channel.
Good morning, guys. I just woke up, and last night we did nothing much. We just came, we had dinner and we slept, and right now all of these guys are having breakfast without me, and I don't even care. So yeah, today's plan is what's today's plan, by the way? I forgot to ask before.
No plan is our plan.
Yeah, no plan is our plan. Harsha. So yeah, today probably we're going to go and check out every place over here, because we have like an entire day, and places in Yercaud are actually pretty less. So yeah, we're gonna have breakfast. For breakfast we have idli and chutney and sambar. The sambar here is actually amazing. And yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna go brush my teeth right now and eat.
Sambar was very good. Chutney was also good now. So like out of 10, 7.5. After review
What
is
food critic?
The cup is nice. The tone is nice. Tea is only less. Before it was better. Now little you got camera conscious. Like fuck.
that's the thing with water.
Tea is like too sugary. Too watery. Yeah, watery also. Fun.
So right now we're out ready. We're just going around, just looking at places and deciding where we want to go. So probably it's going to be boating first, and then let's see. And that's everybody. All the entire squad is ready in the back. This guy's driving. Instead of boating, we end up coming to Pagoda Point, and this is the view that we get. And that's how beautiful it is. It's just basically settlements and everything that you can see from here, and it's surrounded by hills and all of that, and the clouds, guys. That's what's making this really, really pretty. Blue. Wow.
I think I didn't get it because I was shocked. I didn't.
We'll go through the the highways.
So guys, I haven't eaten a star fruit till date, and this is the first time I'm going to eat it. I don't know how it's going to be.
Wait, watch.
It looks so cute though. Look at that. It's basically like apple, no?
There's so much water.
Yeah, like apple.
A lot of water.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
And here we are boating because Yercaud Lake is the best apparent tourist destination that they say. The lake is actually dirty, like the entire lake is only green in color, and we actually tried dipping a GoPro inside, but we couldn't actually see
How are they
anything.
running it?
So yeah, this is what it is. This is what and that's Ashwal. Say hi. And
What's up again?
so yeah, that's what we're doing right now.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Taste snow and tell how it is.
Very nice.
Oh.
I'll have to edit it.
It's yummy. Exactly.
Till I get up,
Fine, show the tea.
belly out of sight.
So good.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase
And look at others.
leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Guys, I'm actually eating fig with honey, and apparently these people grow it here, and it's very cheap. Like this is for $50, so yeah. And I'm buying avocados. It's $100 here, and I think it's very very cheap. You can take it back to Bangalore and like keep it in rice and stuff to ripen it and then eat it. But then whatever it is, it's totally worth the price. Herbal soup, and it's amazing. It's made of some root. Look at it. Look at it. It's made of some root that is found in the forest here, and I'll show you the.
Then boil it.
I'll show you the root.
Boil it together.
Excuse me, boys. Is what it's made of, and it is one of the best things
It doesn't
ever.
expire for 6 months.
Seb, how is it? How's it?
Good.
How's it? On a scale of 1 to 10.
10.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys,
Like this.
according to Rider 350, according to him,
Ruined my channel.
that is where King Kong was shot.
There. You see that?
Alright, so anyways, by the way, we're going. Oh, anyways, by the way, wow. So, we are going to Kaliur Falls right now.
Kaliur, like
Kiliur Falls right now. Kiliur.
Kiviur.
Kiviur. It's something that starts with a K. Please Google it. We're going there and we need to like walk down 200
Guys, you
steps.
see, she doesn't have any source. So she sucks.
Oh.
Don't subscribe.
So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So we came 200 stairs down to see
Water.
this.
I'm sleeping.
There is hardly any water. I don't see water at all. waterfalls, supposedly. I can't believe I climbed 300 steps for this. Shit. I'm actually disappointed. What are you doing? What are you filming?
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands.
Sweet. What do you think about it?
Give the intro.
We're doing food testing and rating.
Maggie.
Yeah.
7.5 out of 10.
7.5 The onions.
It had onion, more onion, little bit salt, like few more vegetables, and like a little bit of pepper, we would got 10 of 10.
Pepper, I would have given 10 on 10. Mine is nice pepper.
Oh, that's egg and Maggie, no? Oh wow, that's egg and Maggie.
Give me one bite.
How much?
And that's right at 350 eating like pig. Joke.
So guys, now we're back in Bangalore. We just reached Bangalore and there's one thing that I need to show you. This, from a North Indian's perspective. Sai, what is this?
Chocolate.
No, it's the other way. Something else.
Mukkudu.
Mukkudu. From 2 days we've been trying to teach him that it is Murukku and not Mukkudu.
These Punjabis know.
These Punjabis know.
Where's my lollipop?
And when is tomorrow?
When's tomorrow?
Oh my god.
Okay,
Where's my lollipop? You said that on the air. Yo.
Hey, Ashwal.
Alright, anyways guys, I am gonna be seeing you guys in my next video. Until then, I hope you really enjoyed this. I know this is gonna be a very long video, but this is exactly what we friends
I know
do
you
on a
guys don't watch
vacation. And
You don't watch it.
and you should you should watch it. So I will see you guys very very soon. Until then, do
Tata, bye bye, Sasrikal.
You know what?
And please do subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And yeah, like the video if you liked it and share it with your friends and ask them to plan a trip with you as well. Yeah.
Planet trip with you as well.
I don't know, planet trip with us.